Smart traders never enter a position without checking what whales are doing. If you skip this step, you are already a few candles behind. Today I will show you how the whale activity feed on Coinglass reveals exactly when big money moves. Now look at the activity column. Here you see when whales open or close a long or short, which coin they choose, the position size, and the time of entry. When multiple longs appear close together on the same coin, it may signal early accumulation. If large shorts keep popping up, it can suggest growing downside pressure. Now let us focus and search for momentum shifts together. If whales close shorts and begin opening longs, they might be turning bullish. If they exit longs and start opening shorts, weakness might follow. Besides what I have already mentioned, you can also use it to spot the overall market trend. This makes it easier to identify a good entry or exit point. Once you understand how to read these flows, you will feel much more confident as a scalper when choosing your entries and exits. Next, let us move to the liquidation map. In this box, you can select the coin you want to analyze. In general, this shows price levels where many traders are likely to get liquidated. As shown on the screen, focus on the tall spikes that rise above the main curve. Whales often drive the price into these zones on purpose, forcing traders out so they can fuel their own move. Okay, now let us go back and check the large wallet section. Again, first select the coin you want to analyze. Then focus on the percentage box. Here you can see how many whales are in profit or at risk. And what I personally love to check is how confident these whales are. If the biggest wallets hold strong leverage positions in one direction, it can help confirm trend strength. The whale activity feed shows you what big money is doing in real time, so you can position yourself before retail reacts. Now tell me, would you rather follow the exact moves of whales or rely on delayed sentiment data? Comment your answer below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Like, subscribe now and hit the notification bell, because I post 2 tutorials like this every week. And follow me on X for daily free crypto news updates. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned, because in my next tutorial, I will share more ways to master crypto trading like a pro.